How to boost the immune system naturally. 500 million years ago, the first jawed fish evolved. Along with them came the germ destroying machine we know as the immune system. Today, your immune system plays a key role in longevity by destroying harmful viruses, bacteria, and even your body's own cancerous cells. Foods like mushrooms and supplements like spermidineLIFE contain compounds that aid these processes. But what else can you do to keep your immune system in tip top shape? How can I tell if I have a strong immune system? One sign of having a strong immune system is being able to fight off infections in less than 1 week. You also shouldn't be getting sick more than once a season. You may still notice yourself getting mild symptoms like sniffles or an itchy throat from time to time, but if these symptoms don't turn into a full-blown sickness, it means your immune system is strong and has successfully fought off the infection. However, never feeling symptoms is not a sign of having a strong immune system. Those annoying stuffy noses and sore throats are your body's way of fighting off an infection. Never having symptoms could be a sign of immune suppression. What are signs of a weak immune system? The first symptom of a weak immune system is prolonged or frequent infection. If you seem to always be in the midst of a cold, your immune system is probably weakened. Sleep is another major factor in immune health. If you feel tired even after getting enough sleep, then your body may be trying to conserve energy for a struggling immune system. Other signs of a weak immune system are slow healing wounds and digestive problems. Immune cells are responsible for regenerating skin, so if your wounds can't heal themselves quickly, then your immune cells may not be in good shape. Digestive problems are also common for people suffering from a compromised immune system. This is because 70% of your immune system exists as beneficial bacteria and microorganisms in your gut. What weakens the immune system? Elevated stress levels have a potent and long-term effect on immune health. Stress decreases levels of infection-fighting white blood cells. Without these important immune cells, your immune system will be significantly weakened. Many foods can also compromise your immune system. These include processed foods, alcohol, and anything containing high amounts of sugar or refined carbohydrates. This is because sugar will greatly reduce white blood cells' efficacy against pathogens. Junk food will also prevent you from getting the nutrients necessary for a healthy immune system. How to boost the immune system naturally? First and foremost, you should be maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This means eating a healthy and balanced diet, not smoking, maintaining your weight, exercising, and getting enough sleep. If you're interested in natural drinks to boost your immune system, try green tea. Green tea has many compounds shown to enhance immune function. There are also several options if you're interested in natural immune-boosting foods. Superfoods for the immune system include raw broccoli, garlic, and ginger. See the section, Which Foods Increase Immunity below for more immune system superfoods. Diets like the Mediterranean diet are a great way to incorporate many of these immune-boosting foods into your daily meals. How to boost the immune system quickly. The first and easiest way to give your immune system a quick boost is to make sure you're sleeping at least 7 hours every night. Drinking plenty of water is also critical to having a healthy immune system. Hydration will immediately start contributing to your body's overall well-being. You should also cut sugar from your diet to instantly improve your immune function. If you're looking for a quick solution to combat a cold, don't bother with vitamin C. Numerous scientific studies have shown that vitamin C does not significantly reduce the effects of a sickness. Despite the fact it's a complete myth, many people believe that vitamin C considerably boosts your immune system, thanks to scientist Linus Pauling. How to increase immunity in adults. Your immune system ages like the rest of your body. But just how does your immune system change with age? It will respond more slowly, meaning that you may get sick more often and things may take longer to heal. Your immune system also won't be as good at finding and correcting cell defects as it used to be, which could increase your risk of developing cancer. So how can you prevent your immune system from aging? Make sure to get every vaccination you can and exercise regularly. Eat a healthy diet, don't smoke or drink, and try not to get injured. Injuries can divert precious energy away from your immune system. Supplements containing the natural compound spermidine can also keep your immune system in top shape by promoting autophagy, or cell renewal. How can I strengthen my immune system against viruses? You should get vaccinated for any viruses you can be vaccinated against. Get your flu shot every year, and both the pneumococcal vaccines, Prevnar 13 and Pneumovax 23, when you turn 65. You can also eat probiotic foods or supplements with live cultures like yogurt and kombucha tea. This will support the intestinal bacteria responsible for breaking down pathogens. Spices and seasonings like garlic, onions, ginger, and turmeric also have a variety of virus fighting superpowers. Which foods increase immunity? Any foods that are high in vitamins B6 and E, zinc, and healthy fats are good for increasing immunity. Whole plant foods and fermented foods are also immune boosting foods. Examples of these superfoods for the immune system include yogurt, raw broccoli, garlic, ginger and other spices, poultry, mushrooms, wheat germ. Mushrooms and wheat germ are special because they contain spermidine as well as other immune boosting nutrients. Spermidine, carbon 7, hydrogen 19, nitrogen 3, is a natural compound that promotes autophagy, or cell renewal. This means that getting extra spermidine in your diet can significantly improve your immune system and body's overall health and function at the cellular level. How to increase immunity home remedies. It is important to first note that while these recipes can give your immune system a boost, none of them are a replacement for a flu shot or other vaccine. Get vaccinated. Without further ado, some foods and drinks to boost the immune system that you can make at home are chicken noodle soup, anti-inflammatory, yogurt parfait, miso soup, green tea, flu bomb, which is honey, lemon, ginger, garlic, turmeric, chili peppers, and green tea. Each of the listed recipes should be quick and easy to make with ingredients you have lying around the house. You can give your immune system some well-deserved help, whether you're sick or just want to give it a bit of a treat. What supplements boost your immune system? 4 supplements have been scientifically shown to be a core part of immune function: vitamin B6, vitamin E, zinc, spermidine. When it comes to vitamins B6 and E, taking extra doses when you already have adequate levels does not have an effect. As long as you have sufficient levels of each vitamin, your immune system will be just fine. Spermidine helps your immune system by helping to trigger autophagy. Autophagy is the natural way by which your body removes unnecessary or damaged cell parts. It allows your body to recycle old cells into newer and stronger ones. This means a lot for your immune system because it works best when it has strong cells and damaged cells aren't weighing it down. Currently, the only way to get more spermidine in your diet is by eating lots of spermidine-rich foods or by taking spermidineLIFE.